Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now let's try to go ahead and audit focus modes and system mutes. Okay, so as you can see here on our iPhones, we have this mute and unmute button, okay, or slider. You go ahead and play around with this slider and check to see where is the mute and unmute. Make sure that it is set to unmute. Now, when you go ahead and go to your control center, right here, you sometimes have focus mode enabled. You can go ahead and disable it, or sometimes it's called do not disturb. Disable this one, right? And then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that shouldn't work, go ahead and find your settings app. Now in settings, scroll all the way down, find apps, tap on it. Now go ahead and find WhatsApp in the list, just tap, and make sure that background app refresh is enabled, as well as live activities enabled. Now you have notifications right here, just tap on it. Make sure that all notifications are enabled, as well as sounds right here. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if you're only missing calls from individuals who are not saved in your iPhone's primary address book, systemic spam filtering rules may be automatically dropping the connection. So to go ahead and fix that, go ahead and find WhatsApp, open it up. Now go to settings right here, tap on you, scroll down, find privacy, tap on it, and then go ahead and find calls right here. Just tap on calls and make sure that this one is toggled off. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That's how easy it is to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.